This is another unboxing I received from MPB, another box with another lens, and this is the unboxing I just received half an hour ago, this box. And let's see what do we have in this box. As usual, the high quality, careful packaging from MPB. And here you go. This is the So this is what I have here. This is a Zeiss Batis 135mm f2.8 lens. The box itself is here you go. Okay, let me see. It seems to me that it has all the paperwork. And here is the lens. It seems to be absolutely perfect condition, and interestingly it has the original Zeiss lens back cap. The front cap, the lens front element seems to be perfectly fine, just like the end to the back position. And also here is the lens hood. Whoa! So definitely this is not a small lens, no way, but the quality of this lens as I received is exceptional, brutally excellent. So that was it, my friend, a simple unboxing. So in another video I'm going to explain and give my thoughts about this lens later.